झूठ के साथ साथ you know there are some things that I'm sure आपने कई बार की होंगी और कई बार बहुत सारी चीजें नहीं की होंगी. So we're going to do never ever have I with you. Here's your slate. This is for never have I and this is for have I. I'm going to ask you questions. You have to फटाफट कि आपने किया है.
I'm getting a little nervous.
नहीं ऐसे मतलब मैं आपका नंबर नहीं मांगने वाला हूँ.
Thanks.
So never have I ever lied to get out of a relationship. किया है.
अच्छा डिटेल्स मत पूछ रहा है
यार मतलब
नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नहीं
बताओ डिटेल्स तो बता दो.
नहीं कर सकती मैं, but I was in college that time.
So what was the lie that you gave?
I can't.
Actually, you can't even tell that.
I can't because that person will know. How can I do that? No, I can't.
I'm sure उस इंसान को पता चल गया.
Believe me, I was good at it. I've always been a very good actor, so.
I should have asked how many have been. चलिए, called in sick because I was too tired. नहीं काम करना, मैं बहुत बीमार हूँ.
Okay, come on. Let's just be truthful.
Was it dumb लगा क्या ये show?
Oh no. This was when I used to like assist in everything, and Shanu is like an elder sister to me, right? तो कैसे कभी-कभी मम्मी से घर पे ऐसे कहते हैं ना झूठ वो वाले innocent झूठ होते थे. शानू मैं बहुत बीमार हूँ. शानू बोलती थी भूमि you're a fraud. I know you are lying.
She knew it.
Yeah.
तो शानू मतलब कितना झूठ बोला गया. Okay, flipped something from a hotel room as a kid or as a grown up यार.
Never.
नहीं वो शैम्पू साबुन बाथरोब्स.
नहीं नेवर. मैंने एक बार बाथरूम की वो होती है ना वो
बाथरूम स्लीपर्स.
हाँ और वो मैंने ली नहीं थी, वो मजबूरी थी क्योंकि मेरे जूते मेरी दोस्त पहन के चली गई थी, सो आई डिडंट हैव एन ऑप्शन. मैं पूरे दिन टॉवल के बाथरूम की चप्पलों में घूम रही थी.
मतलब दैट मस्ट हैव बीन साइड कि भूमि पेट ने कर विद टॉवल चप्पल. वेरी नाइस. विश्ड आई हैड डन अ कंटेम्परेरी रोल.
Oh yeah, I have definitely. जी बहुत सारे like you know इतनी brilliant फिल्में आई हैं पिछले कुछ सालों में, like you know be it a Pico, be it an NH10, like whenever you see a good film you would always want to be like wow man, I would want to be a part of this film, not that I would do it better or you know.
Actually, you would have been amazing in Pico, man.
Thank you.
Sorry Deepika, but you know. All right. Gossiped about a co-star.
My co-star has only been one, Ayushmann Khurrana, and there's no gossip about him. Ayushmann is a very nice neither guy, so I never have.
Wished to be a star kid. ये तो हुआ.
Never.
Even when like the road was tough and you know नहीं.
I love my family. I love the kind of setup I come from. I love the way my life has panned out, and I've worked really hard, and I've never wished it because I'm very proud of where I am. Never.
We are also very proud of you. Regretted a date. This one is fun.
I have.
ऐसा क्या हुआ था उस डेट में? I wanted to.
आप ऐसी डिटेल्स पूछ ही नहीं सकते अगर उन्होंने देख लिया फिर.
तो क्या हुआ? नहीं हुआ ना workout date.
So there was this one time that I was set up on a date when I was this is like 2-3 years ago, and that guy wasn't from India, NRI guy, and I went and it was the most boring date of my life because we just didn't have anything to speak about.
How's the weather?
Yeah, it was worse than that.
Yeah?
Oh, I like your shoes. Yeah, have a sip of water. So you want to order? It was the awkwardest date of my life.
He said he loves your shoes.
Yeah, like it was one of those.
I'm glad that the date didn't work out for you. उससे कुछ होने नहीं वाला था. Even you know that. All right. Regretted a red carpet wardrobe. कि मैं क्यों पहन के चली?
Never.
No?
अभी तक जो भी मैंने किया I've been very happy. Thank you, Shaina, for not letting me have a regretful moment.
Okay.
I really own up to my style. Like this is how I am, man.
Cool, yeah. Had a crush on a school teacher.
Never.
Liar.
I swear. You know, I come from a school called Arya Vidya Mandir in Bombay, and वहाँ पे.
That explains it.
Yeah. So वहाँ पे जब staff भी आता था, we would get up and say नमस्ते दीदी, नमस्ते भैया. तो आप समझ रहे हो थोड़ा उस तरीके का माहौल था. तो
नहीं मेरा मतलब आपके लिए बहुत सिंपैथी है अभी. मतलब बेचारी को कोई मजा नहीं मिला स्कूल में यार.
नहीं मजे तो मिले. स्कूल टीचर में कभी क्रश नहीं था.
स्कूल के बाकी लड़के तो उनका यार.
हाँ कोई स्कूल था. आई कम फ्रॉम अ वेरी फन स्कूल.
आई होप आपने उन्हें हाउ आर यू भैया
नहीं.
ऑलराइट. ट्राई टू हार्ड टू गेट ऑपोजिट सेक्स अटेंशन इन अ कॉफी शॉप.
Never have I. I've always gotten it, even when I was bigger. Even now, I'm just blessed. Thank you, God.
Bigger. I love the way she's like, even when I was bigger, attention.
Yeah.
तो सीक्रेट बता दो बहुत सारी लड़कियों को, क्योंकि मेरी बहुत सारी दोस्त हैं, वो कहती है यार आई एम नॉट हॉट एंड दे कीप फ्लिकिंग देयर हेयर जैसे लड़का देखती है.
Hotness, I feel, is in your head. Like, you know, honestly, I've been asked this question a lot of times. You know, how did you feel when you were overweight? I was like, even today, even then, when I saw myself in the mirror, I always saw, wow, what a beautiful, hot girl. So in my head, I think I'm just really full of myself. So I've never felt the need to be it. I think I am it. So.
Actually, क्योंकि मैं मोटा था तो मुझे भी उस समय कभी रियलाइज नहीं होता कि मैं कितना मोटा था. We never know, right?
Correct.
That
Like I was always like confident.
Yeah.
And I think that also comes from your family. I strongly believe because you know my family never made me feel like I have any sort of a drawback in me.
Yeah.
या मैं किसी और से कम हूँ.
Your friends, your
Yeah,
friends.
like I would dress the way I want. I partied equally. I got the same amount of attention from the opposite sex. So my life was really good.
पर ऐसा होता है कभी when we go back and look at those pictures like हम कैसे दिखते थे यार, उस समय बिल्कुल रियलाइज नहीं होता है.
So मेरे लिए तो एक पूरी फिल्म है तो.
Oh no, but you were damn cute in that film, yeah. I mean, I loved her. Alright, this is it for the first time. Bhumi with us and on the episode. Stay tuned to Spot Boy.